Hello, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And there are a few of the remote job opportunities. So let me share those details with you. And before we share the details, I would request every one of you to like, share, and subscribe our channel because this kind of content we are sharing with you absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So I request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Okay, so let me share those details. Fine. So there's a company which is looking for senior test engineer, and they'll be doing UI as well as API based testing. This is for financial core banking domain, and they need someone who can join within 1 month itself. So 5+ years of experience is required in functional and API testing, ISTQB certified, experience in agile teams, and these are the responsibilities. The location is Trivandrum, and you can apply to this email address, right? Then there is a requirement for performance test engineer, for senior performance test engineer, and it's a permanent position open to local candidates. So this they are looking for 3 to 4 years of experience candidates, and for this candidate they are looking for someone who is having hands-on experience in scripting and automation for high impact projects, preferably in the banking and the BFSI domain. 3 to 4 years of experience in performance testing, load runner, JMeter scripting, familiar with Jira and ALM for test management, use Sitescope, Dynatrace with load runner or JMeter, experience with UFT integrated into CI/CD pipelines. These all things are required, and you can share your resume to this email address etrdigital.com with a subject line job application performance test engineer. Right. So this is the second position. Then. Again, there is a requirement for performance test engineer. Any location, Pune is preferred, but any location is fine. 10+ years in performance testing, 2+ years with Salesforce. They are okay to give you remote job as well, right? And the company name is PwC, and you have to share your resume to this email address. Okay. Then there is a requirement for QA manual engineer. Many of the people do ask me, is there any requirement for QA manual testers? Is there any requirement for functional testing, manual testing? So this is a requirement for them. Experience 2.5+ years. Location is Noida on-site. Skills required is manual testing, mobile and web application testing. And you can share your resume at this email address. Okay. Then there is a remote job opportunity, and they are looking for a QA analyst with experience of 4+ years. Skills required are API testing, performance testing, SQL for database validation, test planning. And if you're interested, you can send your CV to this email address. Okay, this is the email address. Then there is one more, this remote job, and they are looking for QA engineers. Experience required is 2 to 4 years. Someone who can join immediately, and key responsibilities would be to understand requirements and create test plans, continuously improve QA processes, log bugs and conduct regression testing, perform manual and automation testing. So key skills required are manual and automation testing, agile scrum experience, performance security testing, and you have to send your resume to this particular email address with the subject line application for quality assurance. And along with that, you also have to include the following details like total work experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period. So all these requirements are there. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.